Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Drying out a May 22nd, 2018. How y'all doing today?
They're a little quiet today out there, Jeremy. They are a little quiet out there.
Oh, boy.
So
You remember Blue's Clues?
Mm-hmm.
Nickelodeon style?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was a little old, but I still, still was on or whatever.
It's
And
on.
I'd be like, Steve would always ask the questions, and you'd be like, it's right there, it's right there. And you're like,
yeah. Hey, Jeremy, where is the giant silhouette of a man?
can you spot it? That's how it really goes.
There it is.
There it
Oh,
is.
good job. Good job.
Exactly.
I feel a new show.
Preston discovers America.
Facts,
I like
facts.
It. Facts. So Fitchburg discovers America comes up at 7, and then facts or facts or
Yeah.
facts.
Facts.
Followed
It's
by
good
that.
stuff.
Yeah. Well, here we go. Another show.
Yeah, here we are. I was just thinking, we just kind of talked about it. Rolos, okay? Then I got to thinking Milk Duds, right? Milk Dud and the Rolo. Similar, but different. Very different. Which one do you prefer? That's the question.
Well, there's only a few types of candies that I eat. Not looking at this figure, you wouldn't believe that, but I am a Milk Duds person through and through. When I go to the movie theater, that's what I get. I get Milk Duds
That is bizarre.
and I get popcorn. I love those
saying
things together.
That's bizarre.
I love Rolos though. Like now, if you're gonna talk again, I'm very selective on the candy. Like I was a Snickers guy always,
Sure.
and caramellos.
Okay.
That was pushing it.
So you, caramel and chocolate,
That's my go-to.
you're down.
That's my
But that's
go-to.
what I'm saying. Do you put the Rolo or the Milk Dud? Which one?
I still have to pick the Milk Dud because I'm a Milk Dud fan.
Yikes. Rolos for life.
Rolos for life.
Far better. They stack. They're soft. They're good. Rolos. I'm just trying
What are
out.
they? Did they pay you before you walked
You got
in
a
here
commercial.
today?
I
Like,
want a commercial.
Jeez.
Come on.
Yeah.
All right.
There is no endorsement of any candy company on this show.
My opinions of candy are my own.
They're this guy.
Right
Nobody
here.
else.
Boom.
Yeah. Well, let's roll on to the next piece here and tell you what's coming up on the show today. We got you updated on your headlines, including heading out this Memorial Day weekend. We got some car safety things to think about.
Oh, yeah.
Like, what if your car is making this noise? Ka-clunk, ka-clunk, ka-clunk. Probably means you're not going to want to take it out of the garage, but we'll tell you what that all means coming up in headlines. In the digest, we're talking about overdose prevention with a new video put out by Dane County Public Health. We'll check out that and talk a little bit about the overdose pandemic, as it were. And then Department of Ag Trade Consumer Protection. Preston, do you like garage sailing or thrift shopping?
Oh, boy. It's a big tradition where I come from, Jeremy, of course. The garage sale weekend, one of my favorites of all time. Who doesn't love getting together with the crew, riding the bikes around, and looking for some good steals?
That's right. Well, we don't want you to get taken when you head out there. We want you to stay safe. And our friends at Michelle, specifically, Department of Ag Trade Consumer Protection, is going to tell us how to stay protected this, bargain season, I guess. I know we're already kind of started, but
I can tell.
never too late.
She's a good garage sailor.
I would love to be with her when she's like,
She knows what to look for.
she's like, look at this. It's expired. You can't use it. I'll take it for $2. she'll just put you right in there.
She's good.
She is good. All right, let's get going here and tell you about the Memorial Day celebration. Yeah, it's happening. Here we go. Mark your calendar. It's on Monday, May 28th at 12:15 p.m. at Fitchburg Fire Station number 2. Not here at the Senior Center as past years. It's moving over to Fire Station number 2. That way it's indoors, folks. So they'll move the trucks out of the bay, and you'll be able to come inside and enjoy a nice program. It's over on Marketplace Drive. We'll have more details to come. I do know the keynote speaker is.
Ooh.
Here's an inside tip. You're only going to hear first.
Here we go.
Talking Fitchburg.
Exclusive.
It's a member of the Fitchburg Fire Department.
Oh.
That's all I'm saying.
Wow.
You'll have to figure it out from there.
All right, process of elimination. Figure it out.
60 to go.
All right. All right. Hey, pivoting from the fire department over to the police department. There's a press release from the police department making you aware of a meeting Coming up here, the Fitchburg Police Department will host a sex offender community notification meeting. It's going to be tomorrow, May 23rd at 5 p.m. at Fire Station Number 2, so 2931 Marketplace Drive. It says representatives from the Fitchburg Police Department, Wisconsin Department of Corrections, and the Wisconsin Sex Offender Registry Program will be on hand to discuss the relocation of a registered sex offender, Paul Aud. Aud will reside at 5931 Seminole Center Court, number 206, here in Fitchburg. Also, they're gonna have specific information to the offender, and that it's all gonna be shared at the meeting. So if you wanna attend, again, Fire Station Number 2, tomorrow, May 23rd at 5 p.m. They'll have the information for you there.
All right. Look into the senior center. If you're interested in helping seniors, are you a senior maybe? How about this? The Friends of the Fitchburg Senior Center are looking for candidates to serve on the Friends Board of Directors beginning October. It's an opportunity for those interested in helping promote all the programs and activities being offered at the Fitchburg Senior Center. If you are interested in helping with this worthwhile activity, please call Scott Sheets at 608-835-3267. Or if you just want to volunteer at the Fitchburg Senior Center, just head on down there.
Head on down.
Mandy will hook you up
True.
with some great opportunities. Let me tell you.
Indeed. Tell him.
She's got lots of good...
She'll hook you up with some good opportunities.
I don't have the list right now. Sorry, guys.
No problem. I'll allow it this time. All right. Let me tell you about an exciting event coming right up. It's the concerts at McKee. This first one, I hope I'm going to say this right, Trapper Shep. I think that's the way you say that. That's going to be
Nailed
June
it.
18th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Remember, at 6 p.m., they kick off. Madison Music Foundry has kind of the opening band, usually some
By the
students.
way, I went last year was the first time
Yeah.
I actually got to attend one. It was awesome.
They're
the
very good.
Madison Youth Group was amazing. So
Yeah.
they've got some great talented folks there.
So get there early, because especially you want to stake out your spot, but then you get to hear the opening band. But then at 7 p.m., the headliner goes on. They play till 9 p.m., so just come on down. There's food trucks, it's just a good community event. It's kickoff this season, so.
It's going to be good. I'm excited. It's very, very fun indeed. All right. A picnic at the park, I think Kate always says, right?
That's right.
All right. Consumer protections. They've got a fact sheet out for motor vehicle care and repair tips. Zip it back there. I hear you laughing there, Scott. This is awesome. Now, this list, by the way, is super long. There's a lot of information here. I had Preston pick down, narrow this down.
This is a portion of it.
Yeah. I thought we would talk to some of the things maybe before you head out this Memorial Day weekend that you want to look at.
Right.
So, looks like trouble. Dun, dun, dun.
Bum, bum, bum. Wait.
These are things you can look for, like maybe there's fluids, different colors, consistencies. Yeah. If you got yellowish green, paste blue, fluorescent, or you got stuff coming out of your car, it's time to get it checked. That's not good. Dark brown or black oil fluid means that the engine is leaking oil, folks.
Yikes.
Bad seals or gaskets could be causing the leak. Red oil spot indicates transmission or power steering fluid. Eek. And a puddle of clear water, usually it's no problem, as it is probably your air conditioner.
I'll tell you, though, I've been faked out by that a time or two. I was like, oh, my gosh, what's going on out here? I got down there. I looked at it. I was like, it's clear. We're good. We're in the clear.
That's right. How about this? Smells like trouble.
Uh-oh. If you smell burned toast, that can often signal an electrical short or burning insulation. Good to be aware of.
Not good.
The smell of rotten eggs usually indicates a
hate
problem with the catalytic converter or the emission control devices. So
You're always
don't mess around.
behind somebody else's car when you find that one out.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all I'm saying.
Too bad that they can't be behind their own car.
It's a different problem.
Acrid odor usually means burning oil, and that, let me tell you, that's a real problem. You don't want that.
He might have some smoke, too.
Yep.
Just saying.
The smell of gasoline vapors after a failed start might mean a flooded engine, but if that continues on, there could be bigger problems. So make sure you get that checked. Burning resin or another, again, acritic chemical oil may be signal overheated brakes or clutch, so check your emergency brake in that situation. And then a sweet, steamy odor indicates a coolant leak. Huh.
Sweet. Is that sweet? You're talking
That
about
smells steamy.
sweet? That's...
Never said that before.
I have never heard that before.
Hey, what's trouble sound like, Jeremy?
It sounds like could be some squeaks, could be some squirrels, could be some rattles, could be some rumbles. Zip it, zip it, zip it, zip it, zip it.
Could be a ping. You talked about this one before. A knock or a
Clunk, 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 clunk. What could all these mean, folks?
Bad things.
It could mean really bad things. If you're hearing anything like this, I know you can see the list here of different pieces. That's a good indicator. You probably want to turn the car off and maybe call your mechanic before you leave the house, because you could drive it to the mechanic shop and turn something that is probably minor into something really bad.
Yeah.
So, take it there. If it sounds bad, my opinion, probably should just leave it in the driveway.
The only screeches I hear is when I burn rubber out of here every day. You know what I mean?
Fitchburg Police Department's got some questions for you.
Yep, my Toyota's out there burning up the streets.
Again, any other rumble, ping, heavy knocks, clunks, a random thumping sound, loose shock absorber, or other suspension component. That's interesting.
Yeah, that could be bad.
Or it could be your muffler falling off. Bye-bye, muffler. Clink, clink.
Goodbye.
If it gets away from a distance, then you know you lost it.
Then you're in real trouble.
Either way, we'll post up the link to all of these and more so you can stay safe, whether you're getting your car checked out or hitting the road this holiday weekend. That does it for headlines. We got to take a quick break. Coming up next, we're talking about overdose prevention. And there's a new video in town that helps kind of talk about the situation. We'll take a look at that next. You are watching Talking Fitchburg.